Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's been a while I posted a video. That's due to the fact that I've not been feeling too well, and even till now, if you can hear it from my voice that I'm not sounding too clearly. So with that aside, I decided to make a video again today on the boom and crash sniper and its spike strategy. Okay, I just decided to update this strategy, and so far so good. It's working wonders. Please, if you are new to this channel, endeavor to hit that like button and subscribe, guys. So I'm going to be showing you some few trades which I took, all right, with this particular strategy. The previous one which I told you I dropped for you guys, the boom and crash sniper entry strategy. So on boom 1000, we are on a buy using the indicator. Okay, you can see that we have caught some spikes. If you are the scalper type, I think you would have been out here. You would have been out because the conditions were met at this point. Okay, and yeah, the conditions were met and I had that spike. Okay, so you can see that I had the second entry. Again. So right now I'm waiting for another spike. I had my second entry, which is this one. So I'm waiting for more word spike. I'm waiting for more spike. The reason why I had another entry is, see the way the 15 minutes candle closed, which is the 15 minutes candle, which is this one, the previous 15-minute candle close. So other than that, my price action strategy, with my price action, I've been able to confirm that okay, I should be having a buy to the upside. If you look at the chart, you can see that if I should draw a trend line from here all the way up, if I should draw a trend line all the way up without forcing it, okay, you can see that the market is actually bouncing off. Okay, it's actually bouncing off. So based on that, I think let me just try to reevaluate this. Okay, so if I should draw my trend line, you can see that it's actually bouncing off, guys. So I'm still within this within this area of the trend line. So I'm within this area of the trend line. So I haven't broken out yet. And other than that, I have this other trend line which is looking more of like a flag, and we have this level here, which is a very strong level of support. So other than that, we have about three confluence to this one. We have the horizontal trend line and the declining trend line, which makes it a flag. So I'm expecting more spike to the upside. A flag is a chart pattern. Okay, flag is a chart pattern. Okay, in an uptrend we have a bullish flag, and in a downtrend we should have a bearish flag. So for uptrend guys, for uptrend, if you are having a bullish flag, it should be something like this. Okay, the market is going to the upside. Come, let me just clear that. Clear. Okay, please just pardon me, please. Okay, I just want to increase. How do I set that to increase it? Okay, let me just use it anyway. So if for a bullish flag in an uptrend, let's say you are going up, and then what happened? The market decline just like this. So you should expect to have something like this. That's a bullish flag. Okay, so it's a sign of continuation. Okay, all right, we still have a spike again. We just spike. We just have another spike. So I'll go down to the smaller time frame and show you guys. So I'll just have to go down to the smaller time frame and show you guys. I just have to go to the smaller time frame and show you guys. So only that's for uptrend. If you are in an uptrend, you should be looking for a structure like this, which is a bullish flag. And if you are in a downtrend, it should be, let me just clean that one and bring it up again. If you're in a downtrend, it should be something like this. It should be something like this. Okay, you have this impulsive move to the to the downside, then it should be something like this, and then the market continues to the upside. So that's that. Now let me go down to the 1 minute time frame. You see another spike again. See another spike, and it's going to keep spiking. This is going to be a swing one. So now let me show you the boom 500 trade and the reason why I took that boom 500. Okay, so this is the boom 500. I went into a little bit of drawdown here, but I was certain of my I was certain of the strategy. I was certain of the strategy, guys. I was certain of the strategy. I was certain that it was going to be a kill. It was going to be a kill, guys. I was just certain. So I had that confidence even when it went against me. I still held because I know Deriv with their manipulation and so on and so forth. So now I'm just gonna give you. If you don't need the knowledge to price action, but with this strategy, guys, you can still kill the market. You can still kill the market, guys. You can still kill the market. Let me just give you a little hint, guys, to the reason why I took that trade. So looking at that, you can actually see that there's some level of price action with my trading eyes too. I can see some level of price action. You can see this, right, guys? So you can actually see this. You can actually see this, guys. You can actually see this. This that we had a first touch. We had a first touch, which is that we had a second touch and we have this third touch. So when it happens like that, what do you expect? You expect the market to push to the upside back. So based on that, I was expecting it to spike based on that. So guys, I do provide mentorship, guys. So you got to learn all these things. You just come. I'll discount the fee so that you get to learn to trade the right way, not just basing your analysis on indicators. But anyway, this channel still works. It still works, guys. It still works. It still works, guys. It still works. It still works. This channel still works anyway. It still works. So right now, I'm gonna pause this video so that I'll come back to the boom 1000 so that I'll update you guys later on it and let's see how it goes, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. Okay. We are back, guys. We are back at it again. So here, so far so good. The market has not moved any further, but let's backtest the strategy so that I can actually show you other examples, guys, so that I can actually show you other examples. So the zoom level for this strategy is the second zoom level, where you have to zoom out completely. Okay, you just have to zoom out completely, guys, and then zoom in once. Okay, so right now, you see this. You want this for you to be taking a sell. Okay, guys. You want the indicators to meet at a point, just like you have it here. Okay, if I should just like that. Okay, you want them to meet. You want them to meet just like this. So what happens once they meet like that? You take your sell. So what happens? The next thing is a spike. Okay, it's a spike. So you wait again for those same conditions to be met, and then you take a sell. Okay, you wait again for the same conditions to be what? To be met. You take a sell. Just like that, guys. Just like that. You wait again, the same conditions are met, you take your sell. Alright, guys. It's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Just as simple as that. So you see here, guys. You see here, look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this, guys. So looking at this, now you are not seeing the past price, but you're just looking at the indicators alone. You're just looking at the indicators alone. So right here, what happens? The conditions were met and there was a spike to the downside. Okay, because that trend was strong and it was up, so that was why the spike wasn't too long. And even here again, here again, I think here again, depending on the screen position, that was another opportunity, guys. That was another opportunity. So look at this. You can do this all day long, guys, and you still would make money. You can do this all day long and you still make money. Still make money. This is the boom and crash sniper entry strategy. Okay, updated, guys. We added an Ichimoku to it. Finding the settings for the Ichimoku was actually hard, so I had to try and fail, try and fail until I finally came out with this super one, guys. So you see that they met at the point and you sell, guys. You met at the point and you sell. So looking at this. Okay, we have this one is about actually a bit scary though, because they met at this area, guys. So let's see. They met at this area. Let me just do this, guys. They met at this area, yeah. They met at that area. So you enter, no spike still yet. the spike, and finally what a spike came. So you see that, finally a spike came, but it wasn't too strong, guys, and it still kept going upward. So but this one was actually a cool one, guys. So this was actually a lovely one. So you see, spike, it spiked, guys, it spiked. See the Chimoku and the MACD EMA. You see, it actually spiked, guys. So this strategy is a wonderful one, guys. It's actually a wonderful one. It's actually a wonderful one. So you're not going to win always. You're not going to be winning always. Okay, as I was saying, you're not going to be winning always, guys, but over time you find out that you are making money quite more often than you're losing. So you're going to be profitable with this strategy. So far, let's check boom 1000 again. Let's check boom 1000. All right, so you see this, guys. I'm not kidding when I say it's going for a swing, guys. I'm not kidding when I say it's going for a swing. So you see this, guys. That is a sniper entry, guys. You see that? There was no drawdown to that. There was no drawdown to that. So I'm actually killing the market using my sniper entry strategy with the price action I know. And if you want to learn, you just learn, okay? So please feel free to join our Telegram channel, guys. Feel free to join my Telegram channel and subscribe to it, guys. Please, please, please. The number there is limited and it's not encouraging, guys. It's more or less like I'm not doing anything. It's more or less like I'm not doing anything, and that's so not cool, guys. So please, please, please subscribe to this channel and follow us on Telegram. So let's keep back testing this. Now we're looking at crash 1000 previously. Now let's look at boom 1000. Let's look at boom 1000. Okay, so now on boom 1000, you have the condition being met here. Okay, you have this condition for spike being met here. So as you can see, you have that. All right, and you enter your trade, guys. You enter your trade. And what happens? You have this wonderful spike coming up just like that, guys. So here again, same thing, same principles, guys. So you have this wonderful setup on what happened. It spiked, but not too much, and later on it spiked still yet. It's still spiked. So you don't expect not to be in a drawdown, because trading, being in a drawdown is part of it. The fact that you're in a drawdown does not mean you have lost. Okay, so some people are just so scared that even they don't want to just see a dollar in red, so they just run out of the market, guys. They run out of the market. So you see this, guys. What happened? The market pushed to the upside. You see that spike? Guys. So here again, we have this wonderful buy setup. Okay, we have our indicators meeting at this point, and what happened? We have that wonderful spike. Okay, we have that wonderful spike, guys. We have that wonderful spike. So sometimes, if you want to actually enjoy this spike catching of the stuff, and you want to catch multiple spikes, so just move your stop loss into profit after the first spike, guys. So after the first spike, move your stop loss into profit. So here we have the setup, and what happened? We have that spike to the upside, guys. So we have that spike, and it was a minor one. If you had moved your stop loss into profit, it will take you out, okay, and then you try again with another one. So you want to catch multiple spike, but overall, if you keep doing this on and on and on and on, you discover that um you're going to be making money at the end of it, guys. You're going to be making money at the end of it. So this is that for this strategy. It's super cool. Please endeavor to hit the like button and leave a comment, guys. Leave a comment for this wonderful strategy, guys. Leave a comment for this wonderful strategy. Leave a comment for this wonderful strategy. So I'm going to write this up, but for this video, I think this video is evident enough that, yeah, this guy knows what he's doing, guys. So it's evident enough that this guy knows what he's doing, guys. I don't bluff around. I don't make noise, guys. I'm just me. I'm just cool, guys. I'm just cool. I just do my own thing on the low key. In fact, I'm a ghost, because nobody actually knows I exist, guys. I'm a ghost. So now let me show you the settings for this strategy, guys, for those of you who have been patient. So for this strategy, they set on the main chart, we have the period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to low, style is 3 pixel, color good. Okay, no levels attached to this at all. When you're done, just click on done, guys, and to take you to the main screen. And then the next indicator, we have the relative strengthiness period 5. Apply to close. Style is 1 pixel. And then the color, we have the levels, we have the 90, the 10, the 15, and the 95 level respectively. So color black, style is 3 pixel. Just keep it the way it is, guys. And the next indicator we have is the MACD. Fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. Apply to close. Main 2 pixel gold, signal 2 pixel black, red. Sorry, main 2 pixel black, signal 2 pixel red. So when you're done, click on done. And the next indicator we have, it takes you right here. The next indicator we have, guys, is the moving average. Moving average period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to low. Style is 3 pixel, color good, just the way you have it on your main chart. When you're done, you click on done. And then last indicator we have the Chimoku 10 cancel 1, Kinjo and 2, second span B 52, 10 cancel 4 pixel, King Jones and 4 pixel, and then this up Como 1 pixel, down Como 1 pixel, Chico Spambi 1 pixel. So we are leaving this white because the color of my background is white, and I don't want this to be, I don't want the rest of the channels to be shown, so that's why I left it white, guys. And you have this wonderful, beautiful setup, guys, to catch spikes the way you want, guys. Catch spike the way you want. So please endeavor to hit a like button and subscribe to this wonderful channel, guys, so that you can be having updates like this ones. Okay, so that we can be having updates like this one. I'll be posting signals, but I'll be posting strategies back to back, guys. I'll be posting wonderful strategies back to back, So I also provide account management and mentorship, guys. So endeavor to hit this like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Telegram, guys. Have a lovely weekend and a lovely Easter celebration, guys. Bless you.